Artificial intelligence is changing our world. It is a powerful tool that allows machines to learn and make decisions like humans. Today, AI is everywhere. It helps us find information online, recommends products, and even translates languages. But this is just the beginning. In the coming years, AI will transform our lives in ways we can only imagine. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, robots assist with surgery, and personalized education is available to everyone. This is the promise of AI. It has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. AI is not just about technology, it is about creating a better future for all. However, AI is not without its challenges. We must consider the ethical implications of intelligent machines and their impact on jobs. The future of AI depends on how we choose to develop and use it. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI is used for good and that its benefits are shared by all. This essay explores how AI will change our lives by 2025, focusing on key areas like healthcare, education, transportation, and daily living. We will delve into the potential benefits and challenges of this technological revolution. The journey ahead is full of possibilities, and understanding AI is the first step towards navigating this exciting future. Healthcare is on the cusp of a revolution thanks to AI. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed earlier and treatments are personalized for each patient. AI is making this a reality. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, such as patient records and medical images, to identify patterns and predict health risks. This helps doctors diagnose diseases like cancer at earlier stages, improving treatment outcomes. AI-powered robots are assisting surgeons in the operating room, making surgeries more precise and less invasive. These robots can perform complex procedures with greater accuracy than humans, reducing the risk of complications. Moreover, AI is being used to develop new drugs and therapies at an unprecedented pace. By analyzing biological data, AI can identify potential drug targets and predict their effectiveness, accelerating the drug discovery process. The potential of AI in healthcare extends beyond hospitals and clinics. Wearable devices powered by AI can monitor our health in real time, tracking vital signs and alerting us to potential problems. This allows for early intervention and personalized healthcare management. AI is transforming healthcare from a reactive to a proactive system, focusing on prevention and early detection. The integration of AI in healthcare is not without its challenges. Data privacy and security are paramount concerns, as AI algorithms require access to sensitive medical information. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI systems is crucial, as misdiagnosis or incorrect treatment recommendations can have serious consequences. As AI takes on a more significant role in healthcare, it is essential to address these challenges and establish clear ethical guidelines for its use. The traditional classroom is being transformed by the power of AI. Imagine a world where every student has access to personalized learning experiences tailored to their individual needs and pace. AI is making this a reality by creating adaptive learning platforms that adjust to each student's strengths and weaknesses. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze student performance data, identify areas where they need additional support, and provide personalized feedback and recommendations. This individualized approach helps students learn more effectively and at their own pace. AI tutors are also becoming increasingly sophisticated, providing students with on-demand support and guidance outside of the classroom. AI is also breaking down geographical barriers in education. Online learning platforms powered by AI can connect students from all over the world with the best teachers and resources. This democratizes access to quality education, regardless of location or socioeconomic background. AI is transforming education from a one-size-fits-all model to a personalized and accessible experience. While AI offers tremendous potential for improving education, it also presents challenges. One concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If these algorithms are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate existing inequalities in education. It is crucial to ensure that AI systems are developed and used in a fair and equitable manner. Additionally, as AI takes on more teaching responsibilities, it is essential to consider the role of human teachers in the future of education. The way we move is on the verge of a radical transformation, and AI is at the heart of this change. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, traffic accidents are rare, and commutes are stress-free. This is the promise of autonomous vehicles powered by AI. Self-driving cars use sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate roads without human intervention. This technology has the potential to make transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure, reducing congestion and improving traffic flow. The impact of autonomous vehicles extends beyond personal transportation. Self-driving trucks are poised to revolutionize the logistics and shipping industries, transporting goods more efficiently and reducing delivery times. Public transportation is also being transformed by AI, with autonomous buses and trains offering more flexible and efficient routes. However, the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles faces challenges. Technical hurdles, such as ensuring the reliability and safety of self-driving systems in complex environments, still need to be addressed. Public acceptance and trust in autonomous vehicles are crucial for their successful integration into society. Legal and ethical considerations, such as determining liability in accidents involving autonomous vehicles, also need careful consideration. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to research labs. It is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the appliances in our homes, AI is making our lives easier, more convenient, and more personalized. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are becoming increasingly ubiquitous, allowing us to interact with technology using natural language commands. These AI-powered assistants can answer questions, set reminders, play music, and even control smart home devices. AI is also enhancing our entertainment experiences. Streaming services use AI algorithms to analyze our viewing habits and recommend movies and shows tailored to our tastes. Smart homes are becoming increasingly common, with AI playing a central role in automating tasks and creating a more comfortable living environment. AI-powered thermostats can learn our temperature preferences and adjust automatically, while smart lighting systems can create the perfect ambience for any occasion. AI is even changing the way we shop, with personalized recommendations and virtual shopping assistants enhancing the online shopping experience. While AI is undoubtedly making our lives more convenient, it is important to be mindful of its implications for privacy and data security. As our homes and devices become more connected, it is essential to ensure that our personal information is protected. Ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in our daily lives, such as the potential for algorithmic bias and the impact on human interaction, also need careful attention.